Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment on my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the MSpan toothbrush cover. So these are covers for toothbrush. I've been wanting a toothbrush cover because my toothbrushes get dust sometimes, and I'm also worried about just the matter that lands onto the toothbrush when you flush the toilet. So yeah, I've read just about how much, if you didn't know, a lot of particles land on your toothbrush when you flush the toilet, especially with the cover not closed. So even just dust, you just don't want to use a toothbrush with dust on it. So I purchased this MSpan toothbrush cover. So let's unbox this. So it's saying the MSpan toothbrush cover is suitable for manual and electric toothbrushes. So that's good. You can use it on a manual toothbrush. I have a manual toothbrush here, but I also have an electric one, but I'll just use this one for now for the example. So come in different colors to identify which toothbrush. So I like that it came in different colors for family, so you can give different people. So let's just unbox this, and we can these packages, sometimes they're quite awkward to open up, especially plastic packaging. So let's, okay, that was quite, it was easy enough. So I'm not really worried about how I open it, but let me just, I don't want to tear it up so bad. Now you see it's quite awkward to, I don't know why they built the packaging like that, but let's get this one out. Come out, buddy. So it's finally out. So that's the toothbrush cover. So it's like a spring mechanism. So you just open it like that, then you just, yeah, you place it like that. No, like that, like this. You can put it either way, but this looks neater. It looks like I don't know, someone's head. But yeah, that's the toothbrush cover, and it has small vents, so like you know, it allows some air to pass through, because you don't want it totally enclosed, because you know, in that way bacteria can start growing. So that's great. This really, it's a great product. It's solidly built. I think if anything drops, but I don't drop it, but if it drops, I think it'll hold up. But it's, I like it. This should last quite a while, hopefully. So yeah, you put that and you hang the toothbrush, and your toothbrush is protected from dust and germs. So this is a great product. If you want to protect your toothbrush, I'd recommend this MSpan toothbrush cover. BPA free, great for homeschool, traveling. Yeah, so I hope you like that, my review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.